జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. ఓ మాతా కౌసల్యా మాతా, మై ఫాదర్ Dasharatha Maharaju got so much influenced by Kaikamma's words. That is why he passed such cruel orders to send Rama to the forest. O Kausalya Mata, about my brother Rama, not even enemies also talks bad about my Rama. Not only the enemies, even the enemies would not talk bad about my Rama. Indirectly behind the back of Rama also they don't talk any negative words about my Rama. Oh Mata Kausalya Mata, my brother Rama is Deva Kalpam. He is equivalent to Deva, God. Oh Mata Kausalya Mata, my brother Rama is Rusum. He does not have any kind of contamination, pollution in his heart. Oh Mata Kausalya Mata, my brother Rama is Dantam. All the teachers likes my Rama so much. All the acharyas likes my Rama so much. Oh Mata Kausalya Mata, my brother Rama is Ripunam Apivatsalaha. Even the enemies also would always be craving to see Rama's most beloved face. They like Rama so much. Such Rama, what kind of grave mistake that he has done, under what accusation my father Dasharatha Maharaju is sending Rama to the forest? How can he send without even seeing without any complaint? Oh Mata Kausalya Mata, he cannot send my Rama to the forest like this. Like that, Lakshmana also crying a lot and trying to console Kausalya Mata. Lakshmana Swami, with so much of angry, he is now telling Rama that, oh Rama, under the influence of Kaikamma, our father Dasharatha Maharaju gave this cruel order. His order is to send you to forest. Because he is doing all this under the influence of Kaikamma, let us completely disregard this order. Now you take over the kingdom. Let me hold my bow. Let me take care of you. I will stand right next to you as Evadharmaraju, and will see who comes and obstructs you from taking over this kingdom. Oh Rama, if anybody comes on your way, he is going to be no more on this earth. Oh Rama, in this kind of situation, we have to be strong. We have to be rude also. Rama, whoever comes on behalf of Bharata and obstructs you, you can think that Sarvan Yetan Vadhishyami, that Lakshmana is going to kill every one of them. Rama, if our own father, again provoked by Kaikamma, and comes on your way and obstructs you, I am telling you right now, Nissangam Vadhyatam Badhyatamapi. If our own father comes like that, I am going to take him under my custody, or I will just kill him. I will not think for a second also. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.